How's it going, everybody? Today's video, I want to tell you why I chose the Badland 12,000 pound winch from Harbor Freight. If you're on the fence about buying one, maybe this will help you out. Let's get into it. Alright, so we've all been out driving around, see each other on the roads. First thing everybody says, why did you go with the Harbor Freight winch? And I usually respond with first, the cost. So I scored this thing. Normal price is $299. It's under $300 for a 12,000 pound winch, compared to a Smittybilt, which is between $500 and $700, a Warren, which is $650 to $850, or the Monster winch, which is $650. I see a lot of you guys driving around. I'm talking to you, driving around with the cleanest Jeep in the world. Probably never used your winch. You really want to throw it on $850 for a winch you're probably not going to use, or maybe use once in its lifetime, maybe twice? Come on, under $300. It's well worth it. This thing has been reliable. I've used it a handful of times so far. I've never had it fail me. It's always pulled out myself or other Jeeps or whatever is on the trail that's in the way. Logs, trees, branches, doesn't matter. I have no problem using this thing and knowing it's going to be there when I need it. So yeah, the cost. I mean, I could burn this thing down on the first pull and still go out and rebuy it again for less than what I'm going to have in a Smittybilt, a Warren, a Monster, anything like that. I'll give you kind of a rundown of what kind of came in the box, as you would say. The wires that came with it, very solid, very sturdy, really good, really long, had plenty of wire to them. I actually had to trim some of it down to get it to fit where I needed it. Comes with the plug-in controller. You got the free spool, so you can unspool it really quick when you're on the trail to get it out there. It also has the standard 4 bolts mounting underneath, so it doesn't come off. Came with all hardware included. Also comes with solid roller fairlead, all mounting hardware included. As far as the wiring goes, as you can see here, solid wires. On the Jeep Cherokees there's not a whole lot of room anyway, but it still manages to fit quite well. I ran the cables right in here behind the grill. So this is actually the 150 amp breaker that they give you. You're supposed to put it in line with the battery cable. I did not like this method, so I went with this. I'll put a link in the description. That's a 150 amp marine grade breaker with that is resettable. So right now it's off, so I can cruise around knowing that there's no power going to the winch in case something getting some deep water, not worried about it shorting anything out. It's turned off. So all I gotta do is just hit the switch, power's on, I'm ready to winch whatever's in the way out of the way. So I know this is a really quick video, but I just want to get out there in case you're hovering over that purchase button on whatever winch you're looking at. I'm telling you, don't count this thing out. This thing is strong, reliable, solid price. If this thing bursts into flames tonight, I will buy another one tomorrow. Trust me, it's well worth it. I don't see that happening though. I mean, I've run this thing pretty hard and it just keeps on taking it. So if you're looking, I'm telling you, this is where it's at. Hey, real quick, I just want to say thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't already, do it please. Ring the bell, get those notifications. Every little bit helps the channel. I'm hoping to do a walk around video on the Jeep someday soon. If you'd like to see that, throw it down in the comments. I plan on doing a full description of everything I've done to this thing from when I bought it till now. Other than that, have a good weekend. We'll see you next time on next week's adventure.